Yes, I want to prepare papaya leaf and neem leaf juice mixed together for my beds. So this neem leaf, they are good antibiotics, good anti-coccidial drugs. They are anti-pest drugs. You can use them as pesticide. They can be used to treat coccidiosis, viral infection. Then why that of the pawpaw leaf? It is used in deworming, used in treating coccidiosis, a growth booster and a growth promoter in your poultry bed. They are antioxidant, anti-parasitic, anti-fulgurative. So they can be used to fight most of those poultry infections. So this is how I want to prepare it for my bed. I've already chopped the leaf. Yes, I cut it with my bare hand. After that, I want to pound it. Yes, I don't have blender. I will use my mortar. So I've already chopped the two leaves together. So after that, you got to wash it. After you wash it, you pound it. So let's go. I've already washed it too.